The following is a class on the Srimad Bhagavatam, 3rd Canto, 26th Chapter, Text number 3, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on December 15th, 1974, in Bombay, India.
The Supreme Personality of Godhead is the Supreme Soul, and He has no beginning. He is transcendental to the material modes of nature, and beyond the existence of this material world. He is perceivable everywhere because He is self-effulgent, and by His self-effulgent luster, the entire creation is maintained.
अनादिरात्मा पुरुषो निर्गुण प्रकृति परः प्रत्यग्ध्यामा स्वयं ज्योति विश्वं जीन समन्वितम. In the previous verse, we had already discussed Jnanam Purushasya Atmadarshanam. Purushasya, the living entity, is also called Purusha, and the Supreme Lord is also called Purusha. So, real Purusha is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. We are not Purusha. We are Prakriti, living entities. It is said in the Bhagavad Gita, Aparayam itasu vidhime prakritim para. After explaining this jara prakriti, or the dull matter, that is called jara prakriti, bhumi, earth, water, fire, air, sky, mind, intelligence, and ego, these are all jara prakriti, material. Sometimes it is misunderstood, mind is spiritual. No, mind is material. Intelligence, that is also material. And this false ego with designation, that is, I am Indian, I am American, I am Brahman, I am Kshatriya, so many things, I am cat, I am dog, I am human being. This is also material conception. I am neither dog, neither cat, neither demigod, not human being. I am Atma, Aham Brahmasmi. So, there are two kinds of Purusha. One Purusha in the material world, as we are artificially claiming to be Purusha. Purusha means enjoyer. The Karmis, they are trying to enjoy this material world. They are working day and night very hard to enjoy. That is meant Purushabhiman. Actually, we are not Purusha, we are Prakriti, as it is described in the Bhagavad Gita. Above this material Prakriti, earth, water, air, fire, there is another Prakriti, Krishna says to Arjuna, which is Paraprakriti. And what is that? Jiva Bhuta Mahabaho Jaidam Darjate Jagat. Jiva Bhuta, the living entity, that is superior Prakriti. This is inferior Prakriti, matter. And Jiva is superior Prakriti. But the Jiva, under false ego, he is trying to enjoy this material Prakriti, Jaya by the superior Prakriti, Jayedam Dharjate Jagat. This Jagat, this material world, is existing on the spiritual Prakriti. You can calculate what is this body? This body is existing on the spiritual body. Just like your heart. This heart is existing on your actual hand. This heart has got a hand because you have got hand. So, matter is impersonal. But because the superior Prakriti, Jiva, is person, therefore the matter appears like a person. Because I have got hands and legs, therefore this cloth has got hands and legs. Otherwise the cloth has no hands and legs, it is impersonal. And in Bhagavad Gita it is said, Vasamsi jinnani. This body is just like dress. Just like your coat has got hand, your pant has got leg, but either the pant or coat has no leg, no hands. Because you have got leg and hand, therefore the coat has got leg and hand. Everyone can understand, it's very easy. So, originally the spirit soul has got form. Therefore, the cloth has been cut into form. It is very easy to understand. Otherwise, how you get the form? And in this form, the spirit soul is trying to enjoy this material world, but it is not Purusha. It cannot enjoy. That is false. That is illusion. Atak griha kshetra sutapta vittai janasya mohoyam ahangamameti. So, by our desire, we get a particular type of form. It may be human being, it may be demigod, it may be elephant, it may be cat, it may be dog, it may be tree. In this way, in different forms, 8,400,000 different forms, we are trying to enjoy this material world. This is called material conditional life. Because we are failing to understand Atmadarshan, because the purpose is Atmadarshan. Jnanam nishayasaya arthaya purushasya Atmadarshanam. Atma, one should see his real identification, what I am. That is the inquiry of a human being. Athata Brahma Jigyasa. That when I understand that I am not this body, I am Brahma, then we should go on inquiring further about Brahma. What is the form of Brahma? What is Parabrahma? What is the relationship between Parabrahma and the Brahma? Why Brahma has come to this material world and he has got this material body. This material body is finishable, temporary, and Brahma is eternal. Why this conjunction? These are Brahma Jigyasa.